Today we're going to do a video on a Harley Davidson shifter lever being loose on the transmission. It's a common problem, and it's not too bad to fix once you get into it. It takes a little bit of tools and patience. With that, let's get to it. Our problem lies on the lever coming off the transmission. If you look with a flashlight, this is going to be hard, guys, so you just got to do this on your bike and look. You'll see the lever's loose. There's a 1/4 inch Allen head that needs to be tightened. What I'm going to do is take the Allen head out, put some Loctite blue, and reinstall, and this we will get tight. The first thing I got to do is remove this beauty cover on my bike. Alright, I'm just going to lay these bolts on the floor and take this chrome trim cover, which is kind of nice, and put it to the side. Hopefully you can see that. That would be the seal. If I can't tighten this, I will end up taking the outer and the inner primary, putting a new seal, and seeing what's going on with this. But there is no oil on my floor. The bike has 30,000 miles on it. I'm not going to worry about that right now. This has me concerned to why it's shaking and could release oil. I'm believing with this moving around like that, the seal will fail and let oil by. So let's tighten it up and see what we got. Now, you're going to see, I'm going to put this screwdriver so I can really get that shaft in there. Alright. Now, what I did was move that shifter level in as far as it can go. Now, this is the 1/4 inch with a swivel. And I got it. Not that bad. I'm going to remove it, the Allen head, and use some blue Loctite on it. Oh, it's loosening. Oh, it was loose. It really was loose. I'm getting it. 1 swivel, 3-inch extension, 3/8 ratchet. Let's see if I can get this by hand. I got a 1/4 inch with the swivel. You can buy all these tools at Harbor Freight. Alright, it's going. I just want to put blue Loctite on this. I have this nice, you can see it got beat up from the vibration. I'm going to clean that with a wire brush and put blue Loctite. Alright, with a wire brush. When I do go in here to replace that seal, I'm going to buy a new bolt, seal, and gaskets and do this. Hopefully, by tightening this down and the lever not moving around as much, will help the seal out. I'm going to put blue. Blue Loctite. Great stuff. You put that flashlight, you can see everything is tight. This shaft lever is all the way in. Alright, let's get this started. Oh, that worked out fine. Get your hand in there. Couldn't get no better. Alright, let's try to get it started with the swivel. This is working real well. I'm going to tighten it up. Tighten it up. You don't want to get too crazy because this swivel will crack. And if this don't work, I'm going to have to take the inner and the outer primary and all that good stuff. I'm using a 1/2 inch. You see what I'm using? It's a 1/2 inch Get this in there first. By using this 1/2-inch bar, you get more leverage. The 3/8 wouldn't give me the power to clamp down on the transmission spline. Now remove the screwdriver. All this was a wedge to keep the lever as far in on that transmission spline. You don't want to break it. That's tight. That's tight. Real nice. Now with this tightened down and not moving, it probably will stop any of the mist that's around here, because I have no oil leak on the floor, none, but I do see residue by the transmission. But this is 30,000 miles and an 18-year-old bike. So with that, let me button this up. All right, I cleaned the cover. All right, start these. All right, let's put this hardware back on. It's a nice little chrome piece. A little dress-up piece they put on these CVO bikes. That's real nice. I haven't seen it like this since it was new. I'm very happy. That was all over the place. This thing's going to shift real nice. Like I said, if you have any questions, just ask. Please leave a comment. And if you could, subscribe. Ride safe and have a great day.